How to apply filter while shopping. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to apply filter on Flipkart while shopping. So to do this, you basically want to go ahead and open a Flipkart app. Make sure that you already have an account. Now look for the items. Now let's see, I'm going to go with this. And what here you actually have to do is, in order to apply filters, you just need to go ahead and select the filters tab, or you just go to the profile section. You'll be able to find these more filter, and then you could typically locate near the search bar on the side of the product listing page. Once the filter option appears, select the criteria that you want, such as price, brand, size, or color as well, to narrow down the result. And you may need to click the filter button again or scroll to see all the available options. So this way you'll be able to apply filter while shopping on your Flipkart account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.